Let us now discuss problem number 1. Determine the cracking torsion of the section. So, hahanapin natin yung cracking torsion natin denoted by T sub CR. So, meron tayong cross-section dito na 300 by 600 mm na concrete beam. If no torsional reinforcement is used, F prime C is equal to 27.63 megapascal. We have a value of your Fy which is equal to 414 megapascal. And we have the value of your concrete cover from centroid of reinforcement equal to 76.2 mm. So from the centroid of your reinforcement, so the value of your concrete cover is equal to 76.2 mm. So, kapag hinahanap natin yung cracking torsion natin, yung formula natin dyan, that is equal to TCR is equal to reduction factor lambda square root of F prime C over 3 multiplied by ACP squared over PCP. So this will be your formula in computing for cracking torsion. So sir, paano po nangyayari yung torsion na to? So mapapansin natin, meron daw tayong torsion dito. Meron tayong moment na acting along z-axis ng beam natin. So meron tayong tatlong axis dyan. So dito we have the y-axis. So matatandaan natin. So dito we have yung y-axis, pataas. And then we have the z-axis. The x-axis, I might say. Tapos, etong pakaba sa kanya, we have the z-axis. So, if we were going to put this in a 3D manner, let's say this is your beam. Ayan. So, nangyayari niya dito is, this is in 2D manner. So, iti-3D natin siya. So, meron tayo dito na, so, using natin, this is yung Y, tapos this is yung X, tapos this is yung Z natin. So, if yung ano natin, torque natin, it is along yung Z-axis natin or along dito sa plane na to. So, along dito sa Z-axis natin, doon nangyayari yung torsion natin. Kapag naman yung moment natin is acting along sa x-axis natin, doon naman nangyayari yung bending moment natin. So imagine, so if we have a moment or bending moment acting on the x-axis, so let's say this is our beam, sabihin natin na this is our beam. So mangyayari niyan, if our moment is rotated upon the x-axis, so this is the x-axis, i-rotate niya, so yung tendency is, ibe-bend niya yung beam natin. That's why we have a bending moment. So what will happen if the rotation is in the z-axis? So along dito sa length ng beam natin. So what will happen? So mangyayari is, so mag-a-apply tayo ng moment. Let's apply a moment. So there is a twisting effect. So when we are talking about torsion, we are talking about primarily about the twisting effect. So sinosolve natin if kailangan ba ng reinforcement against torsion. So let's compute. So in computing for the value of your cracking torsion, so this will be your value. Etong ano natin na to, so it depends kung anong klaseng concrete tayo. Kaso nga lang, since walang sinabi sa problem, we will assume na normal yung concrete natin. We have a value of your F prime C. Hanapin na lang natin yung value ng ACP at saka yung PCP natin. So when we talk about these two terms, it only pertains about the area of your beam and the perimeter of your beam. So let us solve for the value of your ACP. So we have a width of 300 and a total depth of 600. So you will have a value of 180,000. Next naman, the perimeter naman. So you have, kunin natin to, twice natin, yung 300. plus twice of the 600 or the total depth. So you will have a value of 1,800. So this is in millimeter squared and the perimeter is in millimeter. So if you will going to substitute yung mga values natin, since NSCP 2015 yung gagamitin natin, so the value of your reduction factor, that is always 0.75. Pero kapag sinabi naman sa natin, sa NSCP 2001 or NSCP 2001, yung reduction factor natin is 0.85 for shear tsaka sa torsion natin. So for this one, let's choose NSCP 2015. So we have 0.75. Yung lambda natin, that is 1.0. Square root of yung F prime C natin, we have 27.63 over 3 multiplied by yung ACP natin, we have 180,000. So, i-square natin yan over the perimeter of 1,800. So, you have a value of your cracking torsion, which is equal to 23.654 times 10 raised to 6 Newton mm. So, alisin lang natin yung times 10 raised to 6 para maging kilonewton meter yung Newton mm. So, we have 23.654 kilonewton meter. So, this will be your answer. So, ganun lang kasimple yung cracking torsion natin.